Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC. Many players want to enjoy their favorite mobile games on a larger screen with more precise controls. Using an Android emulator is the only effective and supported method to achieve this. It essentially creates a virtual Android device on your computer, allowing you to download and run mobile applications just as you would on a phone or tablet. This opens up a whole new way to experience the game. To begin, you will need to select a reliable Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each offering a robust platform for gaming. It is crucial to check the emulator's system requirements against your computer's specifications to ensure optimal performance. Many emulators also provide advanced features such as customizable key mapping, which is essential for precise control in Clash Royale, and multi-instance support for running multiple games. Once you have chosen an emulator, download its installer directly from the official website to avoid any unofficial versions. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After installation, you will need to log in with your Google account, which grants you access to the Google Play Store. Take a few moments to adjust the emulator settings, such as allocating sufficient RAM and CPU cores, to ensure the best possible gaming experience. Now for the fun part. Open the Google Play Store within your emulator, search for Clash Royale, and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a mobile device. After the game is installed, take time to configure your keyboard and mouse controls. Many emulators offer intuitive mapping tools, allowing you to assign specific keys for deploying troops and spells, giving you a significant strategic advantage. You are now ready to enjoy Clash Royale on your PC.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.